kids! Let's learn construction words.
Watch, listen, and learn. Are you ready? Let's go!
This is a project. Let's work.
This is a painter. Painter paints. This is a welder. Welder joins. This is an architect. Architect designs. This is an engineer. Engineer plans. This is paint. Paint adds color. This is the ceiling. Ceiling is up high.
This is a door frame. Frame goes around.
This is a window. We see outside.
This is a pipe. Pipe carries water.
This is a tile. Tile makes floor flat.
This is a paver. Paver makes smooth roads. This is a tow truck. Tow truck pulls.
This is a fuel truck. Fuel gives power.
These are stairs. Go up.
This is a dump site. Dump and drop.
This is a crane. Crane lifts high. This is a pickup truck. Pickup carries things. This is a mixer truck. Mix cement. This is a forklift. Forklift goes up. This is a roller. Roll, smooth road. This is a loader. Loader lifts sand.
This is first aid. First aid helps. This is a sign. Signs tell us what to do. These are earmuffs. Earmuffs make it quiet.
This is a mask. Mask keeps us safe.
These are goggles. Goggles protect eyes. This is a drill bit. Spin, drill.
This is a bolt. Bolt is strong. This is a clamp. Clamp holds tight.
Build. Let's make.
Measure. How long?
Map. Find way.
P, plan. First.
Site work here.
G. Gloves. Hands safe.
B. 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 Boots.
B. B. Builder. Build with care. Care.
T, T, T. Tools. Work together. Row. Drive, drive.
W. W. Wheel. Round and round.
C, C. Cone. Stop and look.
B, B, brick. Stack it up.
H, H, helmet. Stay safe.
S, S. Sign. Read me.
V. V. Valve. On and off.
And saw. Back and forth.
S, S, screw. Twist, twist.
D. D. Drill. Round and round.
Hutch. Hutch.
R, roof. On top.
W. W. Wall. Tall and strong.
B. Beam. Beam. Lift it up.
C, C, clamp. Hold it still.
S, S, signal. Stop and go.
B. B. Bucket. Fill it up. T. T. Tunnel. Through we go.
P, P, platform. Up we go.
H. H. Hook. Hold tight.
T. Tape. Measure it. L. Evel. Level. Nice and straight. B. 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 Blueprint. Plan it first.
E, E, excavator. Dig, dig.
D, D, dump truck. Drop it down.
B, B. Bulldozer. Push.
B, B, barrier. Stay back. W, W, we. Roll, roll.
H, H, helmet. Stay safe.
V. Vest. Vest. See me bright.
C, C, crane. Lift it high.
F. Fence. Around the yard.
S, S, site. Workplace.
B. Breathe. Bridge. Cross across.
S, S, sign. Look and see.
G. G. Gate. Open, close.
F. 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 Floor. Step. Step.
R, roof. On the top.
W wall. Up it goes. W wood. Build with wood.
Screw. Screw. Twist. Twist. In. Nail. Tap it in.
D. Drill. Round and buzz. S. Shovel. Scoop.
L. Ladder. Climb up.
Pipe. Water goes. S. Steel. Strong and tall.
Mixer. Round and round.
C. Cement. Mix, strong.
Sand. Soft and dry.
Stone. Hard and strong.
O. Office. Workplace.
B. Building. So tall.
House. Home.
T. Tunnel. In and out.
T. Tower. Up high. G. Gate. Open, close. Fence. Around. W. Wire. Connect.
H, hammer. Tap.
F, fix. All good.
R. Repair. Like new.
F. Factory. Make things. Mall. Shop.
Hospital. Help people. SS School. Learn and play. E.
Excavator. Dig. B. Bulldozer. Push.
C. Crane. Crane lifts up.
T. Truck. T says doo truck. Welcome to LevelUp Talks. Let's learn technology words today. Fun sounds, fun play. Let's begin. Level up.
LevelUp Talks. Learn and play, grow every day. Smart kids start right here.
Subscribe to the channel and like the bell icon. Thanks for watching LevelUp Talks production. See you soon again.